Hi everyone, my name is Brandon Cross with Mineral Air, and today we're going to show you how we achieve this super easy and beautiful summer look. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to prep the skin using the Mineral Air Skin Renewal Serum. It's great for overall hydration, and it can be worn under the skin as a prep, and it can also be worn on top of makeup for a beautiful lasting glow. The device also has a preset timer of 30 seconds, so it is going to deliver all of the packed hydration that you need for your skin. The next step, after we have our skin prepped, we can go in with our 4-in-1 foundation. And the great part about this foundation is that you can skip a lot of different steps in other products. It is a primer, a corrector, a foundation, and a hydrating serum all in one. Today we're going to be using the shade Bisque on our model, which is for light to medium skin tones. And for a medium coverage application, we're going to use about 11 to 15 drops. You can start by opening the reservoir, and then we're going to add those drops. Close, and you're ready to go. For the foundation, we're going to apply it in the areas that require more attention. So the little bits of redness on the cheeks and under the eyes, we're going to apply that about 2 to 3 inches from the face first. And then to diffuse, we're going to apply it about 4 to 5 inches from the face just to buff out that area. I'm going to keep the machine working in circular motions as I go along, just so that the product doesn't build up and have a cakey appearance. And this is a medium application using Bisque on one side of the face. An instant transformation. Now that we have our lovely glowing even base, we can go in and add a little bit more dimension. And we're going to do that by using our Sun-Kissed bronzer. We're going to apply about 3 to 5 drops, and we're going to apply that 4 to 5 inches from the face. When applying the bronzer, start in the hairline and diffuse towards the end of the eyebrow. You don't want to bring the bronzer any lower because then you'll have a more ruddy appearance. So I'm going to build up about 2 to 3 inches right here. And then I'm going to diffuse it about 4 to 5 inches from the face. I'm also going to work it into the temple and up into the hairline. And now that we have our foundation and bronzer on, we can go ahead and add a pop of color. For our summer look, we're going to be adding our fresh peach blush. And for the blush, we're going to apply about 5 drops, 2 to 3 inches from the face. For the blush, I'm going to start by applying it onto the apples of the cheeks, about 2 to 3 inches from the face, and working my way back into the hairline. For the eye area, we're going to continue with the fresh peach blush, but we're going to take either our blotting papers or a business card or something just to block off an area. We're going to line it up as if we're creating a winged liner, and then with our blush in our reservoir, we're going to just add a little bit of a smokiness by dabbing the color right over the eyelid to create a winged liner. And to finish off the look, we're going to take a dab of the Hibiscus blush and use that for a pop of color on the lips. And this is how you achieve a perfect summertime look in 5 minutes or less.